Alright, we have good news and bad news. Come here, come here. Do what you did a few seconds ago.
You just touch him.
Yeah, that's a very bad.
Yeah, you just touch him.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Don't be like him. So we just got this new starter motor, and it is going to be replacing the old one. Because y'all were right in the comment section, the old one, the whole thing was just a piece of shit. So I just got a new one, and we are going to install it. Before all else, we had to disconnect the battery anyway because I did not want to get shocked and I did not want to short out the battery either. Alright, so we got everything undone. The screws are right there. Now we gotta move on to undoing that because we're gonna have to get onto the other side anyway. Alright, that's off. Come around the other side. So for this side, guys, I have the rectifier mounted on here, and and I have a bolt. It's the same bolt that contributes to sealing up the engine. Done this a million times. This time we finna need the impact. So there we go. Undo that. Everything's fine. Now we can get in here. There we go. We got it. At that point, it was just wiring everything back up and putting everything back where it needs to be. So I decided to speed it up to save y'all the time and trouble of watching this, because I know it is very long to watch. Okay, we got the thing working. We have one slight issue. So that. And yes, this is just the key to start the thing.
Granted, you could start it with the pull starter.
Alright, we have good news and bad news. Double good news, one bad news. As y'all saw, it'll crank up, but you won't be able to kill it with the key like it's supposed to. But we do have this kill switch, so that's good. Either way, it works. I'm not gonna fuck with it. I mean, yeah, it does. The kill doesn't work, but I don't care. It work. The thing I'm most worried about is the electric start, and it cranks it. I'm fine. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll deal with it later. But comment down below. Do you want me to destroy this with that pickaxe over there, or do you want me to save it? Because either way, it's fucking broken.